Ever wish you could read Etsy buyers' minds? Now you kinda can. You're not just guessing what's popular anymore. You're seeing what real Etsy buyers searched for, clicked on, and cared about over the past year. And for the first time, you can actually get to know who these buyers are. Imagine that! Knowing who they are and what they love means you can create the right products, market them in the right places, and save time and money doing it. eRank's latest tool, the category report, is now live. It's here under the competitor research in the side menu. And what is this? Category report lets you explore what's selling and who's buying in every top level category and subcategory on Etsy. Just click on any category here and boom, you get a full 12 month of real buyer behavior from the US. You'll see things like average prices, what subcategories are trending, which shops people are clicking on the most, the top keywords, and even a breakdown of who's doing the buying by age, gender, and location. It's a quick way to understand trends, demand, and who your potential customer really is. This tool is perfect when you're deciding what to make next, or even just researching whether Etsy's the right place for your product. Planning your marketing, knowing the age and gender and location of potential buyers helps you figure out where your niche audience likely hangs out online and how to speak their language. Need new ideas? Checking out the top shops in your category lets you see what's working and maybe spot what they're not doing so you can fill the gaps. And when you're ready to branch out, the tool can help you explore what other categories might be worth expanding into. A few years ago, I added bookmarks to my shop on a whim. If I'd have had this tool back then I'd have seen that niche was topping its category. I'd have jumped in even sooner. They're my best sellers now, and thanks to the category report, I can see why. This tool is for pro and expert eRank subscribers, but if you have a free or basic account, you can still see a preview of some of the data. And this data comes from a third-party provider. Pro tip, use this tool alongside your own shop stats and keyword research tools like the keyword tool to get the full picture. Go take a look at your category and see what you discover, and let us know what you think.